On this millennial review, I've got to tackle some out of control hedges here in my yard, and because I've already invested in lots of these Ryobi 40V tools, I'm going to add their hedge trimmer. So what we're going to do is we're going to do a real quick unboxing on this hedge trimmer. We'll start to put it to the test, and I'll let you know what I think about the hedge trimmer and how it compares to the performance of the other 40V tools that I've already invested in. So while I'm unboxing this here, so you know, I'll have a link down in the description to this pole saw. I'll also have the one without the pole, and this one that I'm getting is the tool only version. It doesn't come with a battery, but I'll have a link to the one with the battery as well. That way, in case you don't already have a whole bunch of their 40V tools, you'll be able to get them. But this should be a pretty neat unboxing. So what we have here, this is going to be the hedge trimmer. I like that it comes with a nice shield, which should help keep a little one from getting hurt with this or things like that. We'll put that back together. Checking it out real quick, it looks like we've got an adjustment for angle, which that should be a nice feature to have. And of course, this is the expand it pull. And then on the inside, we're gonna have, this is gonna be the handle. This is the piece that our battery is gonna go into. So that just clicks right in place like that. So it just pulls right apart, I bet. That's relatively tight, brand new, but yeah, I bet that breaks in. Push that down. Yeah, perfect. So how this is gonna go together should be pretty simple. So on the two ends, you can see there's kind of a unique look on the inside of this. Same with the inside of that. These are gonna marry together. You've got an arrow going forward on both. So that should just slide together like that. Tighten up, locks into place. So that was pretty easy. You'd take the shield off of the hedge trimmer here, just like that. And then on the other side, this is gonna be where the battery goes in. So that is just gonna slide right together and you're good to go. The blades look pretty sharp. Looking forward to seeing just how this works. So let's go over to those ungainly hedges and try it out. So here we are. You can tell this stuff is just full on overgrown. Time to see what this does. So I'm gonna go ahead and angle it just slightly. Get it up like that. And let's see. This thing has worked out well enough that I've gone a touch hog wild to this area, but it's given me, you know, another good 2 to 3 feet, I guess, of room. So this thing, I gotta say, is pretty neat. Piece is you get an extra 3-foot extension here, which allows you to get up pretty high. So here at full arm's reach, you can even clean up there as well. Well, thanks for watching this video on this hedge trimmer. This 18-inch hedge trimmer with the pole saw extension is quite a nice thing. Gotta say, I'm happy to add it to the rest of my Ryobi 40V tool system. So go ahead and let me know your thoughts down in the comment section below. Be sure to hit that thumbs up button if you enjoyed the video. While you're at it, make sure you're subscribed. And if you want to check one of these out yourself, check out my links down in the description below.